where we are right now. It's a small city. It's actually pretty big. In the mountains of northern Thailand, which we took that overnight train to. It's just like a city existing in the middle of the Poconos. Everybody's just so friendly. Totally unlike the United States. Just encountered some yoga. Let's check it out. Gotta get your morning started right. Quick Thai words. Sawati kwab means hello. Kapkun kwab means thank you. Sabati mai means how are you. And Kao Toi means sorry. I say that one the most. Thailand. Almost every sentence that addresses somebody with some manner of politeness, if you're a woman, ends in ka. If you're a man, ends in krab. I don't even know what the hell it means, but everybody does it. Well-known fact, you can't flush toilet paper down the toilet. Instead, you use a hose called the bum gun. B-U-M-G-U-N, bum gun. The myth is real, and it sucks. Thailand is such a fragrant country. Every 10 feet you go, you smell something completely different. 10 feet, you're in very incense, you know, aromatic, spiritual smell. Next minute, it's rotting fish, and everything in between really runs the gamut. Can be pretty striking.
Stumbled upon
covered in cute dogs right now. No more.